Hi, now I'm ready to climb the Lion Rock Mountain in Sigiriya, Sri Lanka. This is my third day in Sri Lanka. So today I'm planning to climb the Lion Rock first, and after that I will come back, and if I have, I will go to Polonaro. There have some some Buddhist stupas and the holy places, I think, but I'm not really sure that how can I manage time for that. If I can't, then I will come back here, then I will go to Candy in the afternoon. Okay, and I will show you the Lion Rock Mountain. Lion Rock. This is a difficult pronunciation for me. However, let's see how it looks like. In the future, it looks like so beautiful, and it is so big. And my hotel owner told me that it takes 2 hours climbing up and 2 hours coming down. So total it takes around 4 hours. So let's see. Now it's 8:30 in the morning. So I will check it out. How many hours it takes around to go. Okay, see you later. Oh, there's no one. It seems like scary because it is a jungle, and they warn that there's wild elephants, but nobody going by walk, and everybody taking tuk-tuk and the private cars, but me, I'm going by walk. So it seems like a little bit scary. Hi. Okay. See? Everywhere it's a jungle. Oh, maybe I'm about to get to the entrance. Let's see. This is the entrance point? Yes. Okay. From here we have to start our climbing. They're all the hello. So they're guides, I think. From here, I'm from the Bhutan.
Bhutan?
Yes, Bhutan. You know, right? Bhutan.
Yeah.
Okay, Bhutan and Sri Lanka is similar because it is a Buddhist country.
Buddhist, yes.
And here also Buddhist country,
Yeah.
and the Bhutan also Buddhist country, right?
You climbing?
Yes, I'm going to climb the rock, so I don't have to pay for the tickets, right?
Yes.
Okay, because of a monk.
Monks, yes.
Okay.
You need a guide go with?
No.
It's
I
better
will.
go with guide. Everything is plain here.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
But I will follow someone. So maybe because if you
fo-
go with me, I have
No.
to pay something for you, right?
Yes, you follow him. Nothing to see.
Oh, really? So what will you show me?
So many places visit. The palace and everything. So many places visit. Everything is plain.
Oh, really? How much you want for that?
The 5,000 rupees.
Oh, sorry. I don't have money.
Sorry.
I'm a monk.
Okay.
So I will go by walk. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. There's a guide who wants me to go with him. He will like to guide me around but he charges around 5,000 rupees of Sri Lanka. But I'm sorry for that, I don't have much money. That's why I go by myself and I will look around. Let's see. And here's some tourists, so many. Today is like a holiday, I think. So here also have so many local people and going to visit, I think. See around. Oh, here is the museum actually. I will see the museum later. Oh, they have to get a ticket here, but luckily me being as a monk, I don't have to pay for that, so that I can go walk freely. That is something like a lucky here, because Sri Lanka is a Buddhist country, so that monk is free to visit everywhere. No need to get a ticket and no need to pay for at all. That is nice. Thank you for the Sri Lanka country and Sri Lanka Prime Minister. I appreciate for that. He knows that monks have no money and monks are not doing business. That's why. That is the heart of the Buddha, you know. Okay. Here is the entrance. Let's see.
What do you
Oh, here I can see the mountain. That mountain. I'm going to climb on that.
Keep the nature also.
Okay. Viewpoint. Oh, maybe you can see it from that place. Yes. Like so many houses left. Or maybe had a monastery here. Wow. It's a very big.
Miniature was the garden. There are so many tanks. Every water come underground pipe made out of terracotta pipe. Every stones have been marble floor, tiles, and some huts also.
You say this
look here.
area have 32 rocks,
Yeah.
32 caves,
Yes, cave.
and
We have little bit painting.
so
and
this
plaster.
in each and every cave stay the ladies
Ladies painting.
painting.
Yes, 500 painting.
Here.
They said many cave that area.
Oh,
can
this is like a plaster.
Here you can see that little bit painting. Here
Oh,
that
yeah.
hand. Here.
So people in each and every rocks have rooms.
Rooms. Yeah.
Okay. For who? For the ladies?
No, soldiers sitting.
For the soldiers?
Yes,
Okay.
only soldiers.
So this is place of the king?
Yes, that boulder garden.
Oh.
Boulder means small rock garden.
Uh-huh.
After that flower garden, this
Uh-huh.
is boulder garden. After another terrace garden, flower garden, tree
Flower
garden.
garden, tree gardens.
Yeah.
So actually this is a place for kings.
Yes, only king.
Oh.
Before the king, after the lives Buddhist.
People leave the kings.
Yes.
And after lives Buddhist monks.
Yes, Buddhist must not look at that lady's painting.
Uh-huh.
After eraser broken. That
Oh.
Buddhist. We have that halfway, that original 15 painting.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, I see. This is beautiful actually, right?
They are here. Look at that here, Cobra Cave water line.
Oh, yes. Yeah. I went there.
Yeah. Many
This
things
is
this same.
original
This is original step.
steps.
This is white marble.
Uh-huh.
Before not electricity.
Oh, yeah.
Night time,
Uh-huh.
that reflection.
Oh, it gives a reflections.
Yes.
It keeps a very clear
Yes.
around this place.
Yeah.
What was the king's name here?
Kashapa.
Kashapa?
Yes. Living 17 years.
11, 17 years here. And he had 500 wives?
Yes. You can see that arch here.
Uh-huh.
That two arch.
This is original one?
Some original, some new. This is new one. That bricks.
That bricks one, new one.
Yeah.
But this rock is
New,
original?
No, no.
New? It's also new.
Some that original, some new.
Okay. This is interesting. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Oh, rocks. Yeah.
Hello.
Hi. I'm going to climb now. It's very, very wonderful rocks. Wow. Let's see the rocks here. You can see the rocks, wonderful. Let's see. This way you have to climb. This is the rocks. Wow. See that? What is that? It's such scary. Oh, that is the way. I think, oh my God. Who built this? I can't imagine that. It's so scary. That's really, really scary, right? Wow. Okay. Fresh air. Have to go this way. From the beginning, way is okay. Not really scary now. But let's see upstairs how it looks like. Look at this. Maybe even climbing on this one. Oh my God. That is so scary. That is so terrible. I can't imagine it. Oh. From here, it looks beautiful, people. Actually, see that? Oh, so all the paint. Oh, there's one statue standing Buddha. Oh, there's all the paint. It's too windy. We are at the half, I think, but it's too windy. Wow. We have to climb on that way. Let's see. Need to climb on that way. Wow! I can't imagine that. Wow! See it, beautiful. Wow! Some people are coming down, some people are going up. And this is ladder. Wow! I can't imagine that. Wow! Here it's too windy. We are at the half, I think, but it's too windy. Wow. I have to climb on that way. Let's see. Need to climb on that way. Wow! I can't imagine that. Wow! See it, beautiful. Wow! Some people are coming down, some people are going up. And this is ladder. Wow! I can't imagine that. Now I'm on the rock. See, this is amazing. I can't believe that. On the rock, there's like a houses, you know. Wow. It's like a hill. It's on the hill. But this on the rock. Oh my gosh. You must experience it if you come to Sri Lanka. This is really wonderful. Wow. I can't imagine that. It's so amazing. Here's some trees also on the rock. Wow. See, you can imagine that it's on the rock. But it is. Wow. South Palace Complex. Wow. See, that is too huge. It's huge. It's huge. It's huge. I can't believe that. 할래 데 대마소 아니 스리랑카 도이 토하로 아마 섬에 몸에 도데 자이 아니 지 예수는 섬에 마다한테 아무도 너무 섬에 몸에서 아니데 도이 토하 있는데 도이 토하로 신이도 심적적인 쉬도 봐. 섬에 몸에서 봐봐 저기 인터넷이나 통통 아니 녹이 빠디 녹이 토갈로 안에 노대 저러 스리랑카 오버진 네버던 도토가 사지 세고베 말이야 잽다도 도스스도 내가 나를 해외 가는 사이토가에 숨매매때 잽다 다당가 나도에 토가를 했대 다시 야 안돼서 가라 도이 토가에 매때 아봐 스위밍풀 세고 야아 미치 되면서매 디소 가라 말이야 때 도이 토갈 다친가 온 살이야 온거 매때 아 다도 아예 체크하면 돼 디파타 줘 나는 또다 마토모 또 하나 또 로스스베 하나 오이 봐 I can't imagine that so scary 하나 도노 도기 zoom에 돼 나이 막 가대 해지 내가 아니 스리랑카 도스무아이 가대 마토 도스시 너 토가 되게 가는 가도도 매대 봐 하나 왜 민가대 안에 소베 아, 너희 토가 제시대. 전담지게. 그래서 지금. 야, 나날래 제거 왜 돼, 아마. 아마. 미안하네, 온데 오시. 아, 제용 거 왜 돼. 쳐라. 넘으면 돼. 뭔가 야 땡겨마. 다명아 수수 같은가마. Hi.
Hi.
This is so beautiful and wonderful, huh? It's very amazing. 봐. 대 아니 이쪽 빠추 있어대. 가들을 봐오면 있어대. 나라 소소 인시나. 아니 있어대. 오리지널 인슬랍면데. 연장 도에 토가로 여비나. 그다음 아기 넘어서 하나 너 토가면 아니 뒤 토가대. Let's do it again. From marriage. 하나 해마기 개보든서 라메바 베베 인세나 양지 남은 섬에 셉트기 돈을 베이세나 가지고 와서 한 너희 토가대 침잡에 되어진데 셉트면야 돼 아마래야 온수비기 라라면 돼 하나 다시 메데사나데 신기 오는 녀석 그러면 되노 하나로 다 꼴듯이 또 하나 쫙이 하나 있죠 나는 따이가는 막 노인데 가라 수디 네 너도 벤데 하나만 다른데 너무 섬에 작기로 어쩌는데 간섭이 너무 저걸로 작기로 어쩌는데 스리랑카 어마지는 사치 않도가 제라 제고 얼마나 절사죠 내가 냄새가 내면데 대로다 it's something different in the world 소소치라면 대변에 되기 사치 제라 제고 안토가 하나로 때 심지어 도면요 네 도드벤 마다마래 아이 쉣 다시 대와 말은 두대 하나 또 보면 좋아 봐 성형이 보면서 하나 군자름 데서 가야 돼 안 하면 더 갈래 떠오다대 안 하면 더 뭐 스리랑카데 마 오르베 사차 데서 가 하나 마 오르베 더 뭐 하나 좋아 하나 와 가자 더 뭐 너 가로 오르면 가자 다리야 내 남도 더 갈래 맞제도 숨에 뭐 봐봐 임베 임베 화장 가야 돼. 안 하면 돼. 형이 시험돼야 돼. 두람이 돼 말해. 이 시험돼 두람이 돼서 두달을 롱망에 푸바돼. 안 하면 뭐 야, 근데 안 하면요. 잘 잡어. 호나지 피게 마. 안 말해. 아이, 와. 나 너무 좋. 아는 데댕이 미스데 나로 냠냠 쌉치면 말해 나 스리랑카로 슈망 아쉬우다 남싱아 가디 줬어 저거와 잔도 더 가서 저거와 데모 파파 나가 잡으면야 네 lokjoda ngame daro amale malam sa oi Terete kujang ranjang bebete pada me ga mi nya de kujang ranjang be hone de ha oi ya da pa sa ne da ba de mo sho ha ya ne me nya ya da me ye la me chao de ma da me ne me nya 저기 가 나오는 데는 제라마서 말해 아기 안게서 잡매데 되보다 라가 도냐 말이야 제네디 구독이네 구호닉이네 요바치면 제 수수도 오시면은요 에이 화장에 로소 다음에 돼 아, 이메 아네 신소들 휴지통 말이야 마음이 신도주 하는 게 상마 하나와 믿어도 돼 나의 차지 신디게 자올로 네 주소게 말해 Thank you sorry 아니면요 아야 아니야 매우 에이 뭐 아, 아니 집 말해 가르쳐주지 말해 다르면 근데 나는 너희 더가 정말 나도 아니 밥 워터멜론들 또배 맥나 수파야 돼 아샤기 아 good idea 아 근데 너무 쓰리려 신지기 오르베 당도냐 빠 심해 너도 bomb 이거 해요 bomb watermelon 사도 말해 아니 왜 저기 아니 아우와 와 야야